What does the price point, how does it compare to what else is out there on the market of comparable type of vehicles?
Well, I'm not sure what else is out there that is comparable right now. Sure, we're going to see the Cybertruck at some point, but we don't know exactly what the pricing will be there. And the high end of the market, if there is a part of the auto market that has supported electric vehicles, it is the high end. Now, let's point out that 112,000, that's for the limited edition first run of models that'll be coming out at the end of next year. Subsequent to that, or following that, you will see the price come down to basically 100,000, 90,000, and then 80,000 by 2024. And I know a lot of people at home are going to say, 80,000 is still a lot of money for a car. I'm not sure how many people are going to be out there looking for that. But when you look at the features that are involved and what they've thrown into the Hummer, I think there is going to be a market there for this, and I think that they're going to find buyers. The question obviously becomes how much volume, and we don't know what that will be until we see how it's received over the next couple of years.
Tim, what do you make of the price point?
Yeah, I think, almost a decade ago when the Model S Tesla's all-electric sedan came out, and it was selling for about $100,000, that really caught people at GM off guard, the idea that there was a customer base out there willing to spend $100,000 for an electric vehicle. Previously, GM's strategy had really been this idea that if you want an electric car, it was probably because you were cheap, because you wanted to save money on gas. And so Tesla changed the mindset. This was no longer just about fuel efficiency or economy. This was about having the hot new car. And the strategy here from GM seems to be kind of leaning into that, going for the high end, going for luxury, going for cutting edge.
But, Tim, it also assumes that the number of people, we're looking at the market share for electric vehicles, 1.3% estimated for this year, and assuming that there is demand for a $112,000 electric vehicle in addition to the demand for Tesla. I mean, it's assuming that that audience base is growing. Is it growing by that much?
Well, at the $100,000 level, probably not. And that's where this could be potentially harmful or a little bit of a risk for Tesla. In the auto industry, we've talked for years about automakers coming out with the next Tesla killer, the vehicle that would rise up and be the product that would knock Tesla on its rear. And it hasn't happened. I think of this more as the Tesla nibbler. It's a vehicle that could come to market, it could find an audience and nibble away at that market share, nibble away at one of the profit centers that Tesla has, as it tries to come out with all these other vehicles. So it's essentially GM is coming and coming after, something that Tesla took for granted, that $100,000 market.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.